Hi everybody, I'm here today to talk about the top 3 ways that we can restore our health. And I want to begin by introducing my nephew, Jared. Hey Jared.
Hello.
So I wanted to officially announce that as of today, I am one of the official sponsors for Jared. So Jared is a biathlete. So Jared, tell them first about what biathlon is.
Biathlon is an Olympic sport. It involves cross-country skiing and Nordic marksmanship shooting.
Right. So basically, he skis really fast, and then he stops, and then he shoots at a target. So how's it been going for you so far this winter?
It's been going really good. It's been a slow start, but it's been very exciting and lots of races.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, so he's been racing in America. He's been over to New York, up to Maine, and he's going to be going out to Canmore in March, right?
End of March, yes.
For the Canadian Nationals. So I'm pretty excited for him. So I'm now officially going to be one of his sponsors. But also, I am the team physician for Biathlon New Brunswick, and we're going to be doing a few events because we're hosting provincials here, right?
Mm-hmm. Yes,
in Miramichi in February. So I brought him on board as we can talk about top ways to restore health. We're outdoors doing this right now. So Jared, share with them your number one way of how you restore your health. What do you like to do?
Exercise and just staying outside. You're getting the fresh air.
So the miles and miles that you do on the ski trails, what do you like it? You told me the other day when you're out there on the ski trails, what do you like so much about it?
You kind of by yourself, like time, kind of just like you don't worry about time. It's just kind of irrelevant, and you just ski, and that's all you worry about. You have a free mind.
He frees his mind when he's outside, right?
Yep.
This is what nature does for us. There's nothing better than that. So exercise, being out in nature. And the other thing we wanted to talk about today was having fun. So today we've got lined up a birthday party, right? So for my niece and for Jared's sister. And we're going to have fun. So what are we going to do today, Jared?
We're going to go sliding for like the afternoon.
We're going to slide for the afternoon. We got a big bonfire on the go.
Yep.
We got weenies. We got marshmallows. So this is it. Play. Play is so easy to do. And we forget it as adults, right?
Yep.
Like, what do you think, Jared? What do you think are wrong with adults in terms of their health?
Sometimes they just like focus on only like adult things, maybe, and they have more focus on just like going outside. But they are adults, so they gotta act like adults, but they can also still have fun outside.
Yes, right. So we're adults. We have to act like adults, but we can have fun and play. And for me as a physician, I think this is one of the big things is people forget how to have fun. So today we want you to go outside, do whatever it takes, go laugh, go play, go sliding, maybe go skating, snowshoeing, whatever it may be. And please, we want you to stay tuned because Jared, we're going to start hosting some information about his training and what he does. How old are you, Jared? We didn't even say that.
16.
He's 16. And guess what? He is really healthy. And we're going to talk more about that over the upcoming months as he's getting ready to train. But also next Saturday, the 31st, as you know, I'm doing a class. It's called the Master Class on the Foundations of Health. And all the proceeds from this master class are going to go to support this big boy when he goes to Canmore, okay, when he's doing the nationals. So if you haven't registered, please register for that. The link will be posted. And we just want to wish you all a great and happy weekend. Bye, everyone.
Bye.